So actually I formulated this soap for a long time and I keep it to see the end result, and this soap actually is over 7 months. Okay, this soap you see here is over 7 months, so I'm grating it now. Okay, when I formulate I always keep them to test it, okay, to test the end result, at least keeping the soap for like 6-7 months to see the end. I didn't put this in nylon, I made it and I keep it. That will help you to be able to detect every errors on it. Okay, ma. So what we do is grate this soap. Okay, she asked that I teach her how to rebatch soap using new soap, and that will be doing that in this video. Can you see? This is the one that we've grated. Somebody will ask, which grater did you use? This is the grater that I use. And you see, this is the grater. And how did you grate? In this video I'm using one hand.
Alright guys, our online training classes is on. Send a DM to join the training.
So we have our mighty caustic soda. You guys know we cannot make soap without this almighty caustic soda. All right, so that is the caustic soda. Then I'm adding my sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate is also to add hardness to our soap. We have our calcium carbonate, which serves as a filler. Calcium does nothing but a filler and to add weight to our soap. All right, that's what we need it for. Set that aside. Here is our PKO and our tallow. I'm using 1 liter of each of this recipe. Oil, I'm using 1 liter
while
each.
you're at it, make sure that your mold is set. Okay, this is my mold. You can see it's not new, and this is not my first time of using it. Okay, this is it that you're seeing here. I have a video on how to line your soap mold like this. I made that video for, I don't know, maybe part of the 1st, 2nd, 3rd video I made on this YouTube. So go and watch it. You can see it's not my first time of using this mold, and I'm still using it. It's still intact. It's still working for me. So go and check the video. Okay, this is, let me show the full length on how it looks. Very perfect. There's no how your soap will link. I have that video on my channel, so go and watch it. So it's time. We are adding our solution to our oil. Remember, we keep this. This is it. So
if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well by subscribing, like and share this video to those that might be in need of it. Okay guys, that's just it. All we do is just to make sure we mix it very well, mix our batter very well. Okay,
so guys, check on our soap. You can see that's really gel. This is actually gel in 3 minutes. 3 minutes it's gelled. Like, well, soaping is fun for me. Sometimes 2 minutes, 5 minutes, yes. That's my soap for you. It also depends on your weather that you're working with. So this soap has gel. Let's go and set our gas. Okay, you see this gas is dedicated for soap making. So before you come for me and say, mama, your gas is dedicated for soap making, so are you sabi? Make sure it's on low flame, low ice. Sit on gas. Now listen. For those of you that keep asking, how do I know that my soap has gel? Just immediately you put this, remove it, take it out, then you keep it for some minutes. Okay. People will ask, how do I know? You can see. You can see. The soap has gel. You can see it has formed white tissue. Have you seen? Have you seen? This is how you know your soap has gel. Bring our turning stick. Then we start adding the grated soap into our new soap. There's nothing hard about this. Have you seen that? You add it not once, batch by batch, and you are mixing while your soap is on fire. It's that simple. Okay. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it by subscribing. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, and thank you for my new subscribers too. Please share this video and like this video so it will be pushed out to people who needed it. Okay, thank you so much. You all, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. So this is what we keep doing by adding it batch by batch until we finish the whole soap in our rubber, okay, you repeat this, you keep repeating this until we finish that grated soap. Okay, it's just easy, but be steady. Don't leave your soap now to go and do anything outside. You don't need to leave your soap to go and do anything outside. You need to stick to this soap. You have to be turning it. You see that I did not move out of where I am. The only time I remove my hand is when I am adding a new soap into the pot. Okay, that is exactly what you do, because if you did not, your soap will burn. It will burn, and before you know it, it won't be funny. If you know you cannot mix properly, get somebody to help you do it. Okay, get someone to do it. This is the final look. Okay, by now you can see from here I have actually finished adding every bit of this soap into the pot. Okay, I took it step by step, adding it gradually, mixing. Okay, you can actually add water into your soap. Yes, you can add water into your soap. The water I added here was actually like 250 ml, and the reason why I added it is because I was working with dry soap and it needed water if I'm to rebatch it normally, okay, to get it to melt. So I'm adding it so that it will help my pot to be stable. It will not stick under and it will not get burned. Despite that I'm still mixing, I added that water. I added about 250 ml of water. 250 ml of water. You can add up to like 500 ml. Okay, this is it. This is the very jelly look that you need. Our soap has fully melted. You can see how jelly it is. Abby, you can see the jelliness. Our soap has fully melted now. Okay, I'm just showing you guys so that you see what you will get. It has fully melted, and the longer this soap stays, it will be hardening on you. So what we'll be needing now is to add our sodium silicate and foam booster. I mixed my sodium silicate and my foam booster together. Okay, so that if there's any dirt in that silicate, most silicate came with dirt. So when I fetched out the silicate, I added my foam booster, and here is me adding my perfume. I like to sieve everything so that I'll not be having every dot and particles in my soap. So add your perfume, add your choice of perfume. And make sure that your soap mold is ready. Okay, then you turn the batter into your soap mold. Okay, be free. If you like, you can grease your soap mold for you to have easy access to remove it, but I don't do mine most time. I don't do it, but I will still remove it. It will come out smoothly. Okay, it's that simple. Turn your batter into your mold. Okay, turn it into your mold.
If you see person with sabi, I'ma tell am say she sabi. If you see person with sabi, I'ma tell am say she sabi. Them the best sabi.